Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad with curd. First, you'll need to hard-boil 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in boiling water for about 10 minutes, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This step is crucial for easy peeling. Once fully cooled, carefully peel all the eggs, ensuring no shell fragments remain. This foundation sets us up for a delicious and creamy egg salad. Next, let's prepare our creamy curd dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of plain curd with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise until smooth. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to give it a lovely tangy kick. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. This mixture will be the heart of our unique egg salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take your peeled hard-boiled eggs and roughly chop them into small, manageable pieces. You want some texture, so don't mash them too finely. Gently fold these chopped eggs into your creamy curd dressing, ensuring everything is well coated. For a burst of fresh flavor, stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh chives or dill. This adds a wonderful aromatic touch. Finally, for the best flavor, chill your egg salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's perfect on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even in fresh lettuce cups for a lighter option. Enjoy this unique and delicious egg salad. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.